Hey, I'm gonna show you how to glitch girl clothes to boys and vice versa. So, what you do is you go to give someone a gift, and you look for a gender neutral item so that the glitch works. Let's see. I don't know. Ooh, this hair is gender neutral, isn't it? Yeah, this one. No, okay, it's not. But as you could see, what I did was I clicked on the supposed gender neutral item. I hit give gift, but very quickly, like immediately afterward, I click on the thing that I actually want to give. Let's try this again. Nope, I don't think that worked. Yeah, that didn't work. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, here we go. It was not clicking for some reason. Let's see. I don't really have much on this account. It's kind of dead. Mainly just girl clothes. Pants, sure. Yeah, I don't think that one worked either. Nope, that one, I don't think so. Nope. Okay, let's try this one more time. It does usually work, but I'm a bit laggy right now. Let's see. I'm looking like I haven't already been through all of these pages. I honestly want to give my boy account that rainbow sweater, but I don't have anything gender neutral on that page. Ooh, we'll give him that dress. That'll work. Ooh, that one is like really laggy, but it worked. Okay, let's try again. With boy hair, I guess. Ooh, I think that one worked. Yeah, that one worked. Alright, that's literally all you do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you whenever.